This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group, and we're seeing oil prices skyrocketing today on the heels of supply info that came out earlier this morning showing a larger draw than expected. The EIA report showed a draw of 5.3 million barrels versus the 1.3 that was expected. And supplies at Cushing, Oklahoma, which really is what's driving NYMEX gas price, down 1.24 million barrels. So inventories also are much lower than expected there, well below the average, about 3% lower than the average. So what we're seeing here is a much bigger draw than what was expected, and that is really catapulting oil prices today. Currently, West Texas is trading about 70.80, up well over 2%, while Brent is trading about 79.5. So the spread between the two has narrowed somewhat, which was almost $10 just a day ago, back down to where it's trading now to about 9.25, 9.5 range. Now, what was also reported was gasoline inventories, which are up 1.25 million barrels. So what we're seeing is a draw on oil, but higher gasoline inventories. We'll see how long that dichotomy lasts in this marketplace. Now, also tailwinds that also is driving the price of oil here prior to the EIA report and the API report last night are Iranian sanctions. Look like they're starting to finally take hold. China, South Korea actually pulling back, it looks like, from buying Iranian oil, Russia as well. In fact, Iran has so much oil in supply right now, they're actually putting them out on tankers out in the ocean to store it right now. So it looks like those sanctions are really starting to take place. In addition, we also have the impending Hurricane Florence here, which people on the East Coast and the Carolinas have really started stocking up on gas, flooding to the marketplace. The U.S. has been concerned about supplies and actually has reached out to both Russia and Saudi Arabia to keep supplies plentiful so that we don't see the drive in the price higher of gasoline due to the impending hurricane. This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.